Brielle? Yes, Mom. I hope you ain't got Joy. Joy, she needs to be put in that cage. Okay, Mom, she was asleep. No, ain't no sleep nothing. Put her in the cage. You making her mad. I don't care. She don't get no special treatment.